Welcome to the first part of the assignment, in which we are going to use Apache scoop to move data from MySQL database to HDFS and to Hive. So to do this, what we need to do first is to explore the database using a tool like MySQL Workbench. And as you can see, there are 4 tables from Bake Incorporated, which we need to import into HDFS and Hive to form the data lake. This is the first part, and as you can see that the database has only 4 tables and we need all of them. So based on this scenario, we will use the scoop import all tables method and store the tables in a parent directory in the HDFS, which is bake inc. So if I run this, it will execute the MapReduce jobs, which will take a fair bit of time. We will just do a check to make sure that all the data is captured. Just make sure the syntax is correct. Of course, it's advisable to just keep all the data files in one parent directory, or you can have multiple ones, as long as you can remember what is the directory that you're using for that particular data set that you're working on. So now let's go to Hive. As you can see, for Hive you need to open the browser, Hive. Yep. So just remember that you choose the Hive mode for the query and you paste the syntax here. So once you paste the syntax, it will create a new database. So next, I'm going to use the scoop import. As one of the tables, it requires a filtered range of dates, which is from 26 January 2018 to the 30th of January 2018. And using this Hive import flag in this method, I'm going to import directly from SQL database to Hive. So paste this and it will throw up something like this. So just to make sure that it doesn't run. Yeah, so this is what you'll get to see. Yep. So after the MapReduce is complete, the computation is done and it logs into Hive and loads the data in the database that we have requested for the table to be located. For customers, products, and auditors, we don't need any computation on this, so we just bring in the tables to Hive. So once all this is done, you should be able to see something like this. So make sure that the data is properly shown. So if it's not showing, means there should be some bug in which you have to fix. So just make sure that you can see the data. And the final part of the Hive is to create an orders data table, which requires us to create in this format. So we need to use all 4 tables together, and we need to concatenate the names, first name and the last name from the customer table, and use the inner join. By default, join in HSQL is inner join. Product ID for both the order details and the product. And for the customers, we're going to use customer ID for the order date and the customer table. So we're going to run this on Hive. I'm going to paste this here. Yep, it's successfully loaded into Hive. So it will auto refresh, and you can see the order details. The orders data table. Yeah. So you can see the list of columns, the respective data types as requested in the project. Yep. So you just open it and you should be able to see the data. Sample it and yep. You should see the information there. Well, thank you.